entertainment is changing faster than any other industry. We aren't just watching content anymore. AI is letting us generate it, personalize it, and interact with it in ways that felt impossible 2 years ago. The big shift. We're moving from passive consumption to active creation. AI tools let a single creator build a movie scene, a game level, or a soundtrack that used to require a whole studio. In movies and VFX, AI is the ultimate assistant. Tools like Runway and Pika let creators generate B-roll, animate static images, and swap backgrounds instantly. It's not replacing directors, it's making high-end VFX accessible to indie filmmakers. In gaming, AI brings worlds to life. Instead of reading pre-written dialogue, you can talk to NPCs powered by LLMs, who remember your history and react in real time. Procedural generation builds infinite landscapes, so no two playthroughs are the same. In music, AI tools like Suno and Udio can draft backing tracks or entire songs. Producers use AI for stem separation, isolating vocals from drums, and mastering tracks instantly. But voice cloning remains the controversial frontier, and that brings us to the risks. Actors worry about digital likeness rights. Writers worry about studios using AI scripts. And artists are fighting for copyright protection against models trained on their work. The legal landscape is still messy. For individual creators, this is the golden age. You can script, storyboard, voice, and edit a project solo. The barrier to entry has collapsed, but the bar for quality and storytelling is higher than ever. Tools change. Storytelling remains king. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.